Hey, look at this. Look at this. This is so funny.
Listen, people. Anyone need some ice? Oh, yeah. Come to mama.
Okay, there's more. There's more. There's more.
See if you like this. Where did these shirts come from? Did we order these?
Yep.
This is gonna be interesting. I think I smell something good in here. What is this? No way! And this is my favorite flavor! Pistachio and strawberry. Mmm.
Oh.
Wait, does this mean your ice cream is, you know, yep, that's some hot melted cream. The sugar in it will be good, right? Ew.
Well, it's gonna burn
Know
you.
about this stuff? Yeah, too hot. You sure got a lot in your bowl, Olivia. You can spare a scoop, right? This ought to cool things down a bit. Look how fast it melted.
She just wanted to cool down.
Different strokes for different folks, I guess.
Different strokes for different cokes. Can't.
That is a banana, right? It looks like it was yellow once, but it looks more like a little baseball bat to me. Okay, let's see.
It is a banana. Banana.
Whoa.
Oh, what the?
Bananas sure look funny when they're hot. Do I really have to eat this slimy thing? Careful, Hannah. Ooh, that's hot. Whoa. Try to peel this thing or not? Looks like a banana, right? It kind of feels like peeling an orange.
Well, it is a banana, right?
Yikes, that's ice cold. That was definitely a bad idea. You try it. Ugh, it's like banana ice cream. I can't get enough of this stuff.
Look at how baby Jesus. Oh, gosh, oh my god. Look, I can make a dog pirate.
Posing for a cute These are going to turn out so cute. Hold the phone. These are awful. Take them again. Jeez, Olivia, think you got the perfect shot yet? Some people have to take a million photos before they get the one they like. If I didn't get one good photo out of all that, I give up. Time for a soda break. Ooh, can I see that for a second? I'll give it right back. Come on. I'm gonna make the cutest pic. Just wait and see. Oh, I'll wait, all right. Pause. Well, it looks like Hannah's turned the tables on this impromptu photo shoot.
The tables have turned.
More interesting. I know where this is going.
Uh-oh.
Now these photos are Instagram worthy.
Oh, they're totally going in. They're totally going into Instagram. Oh.